What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. I'm currently in KLCC to check out the Xiaomi 14T series roadshow. But the special highlight is this thing behind me, the SU7, which is Xiaomi's first ever EV, okay? If you're here to check out the Xiaomi 14T series, please buy one, okay? Because the moment you buy, you get special access to check out the car so you don't have to queue. Also, while you're here at the KLCC Roadshow, don't forget to also check out the new Xiaomi Mix Flip. So that was the first look and quick preview, okay, of the Xiaomi SU7 first ever EV, now in Malaysia for checkout, not for sale. So if you love content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the button below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!